Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Collision avoided with me after a bad overtake. It looked like she genuinely had no idea that she wasn't on the street. This typical truck driver thinks he can do whatever. This idiot runs another driver off the road to gain. This driver didn't want to wait at the stoplight due to one-lane bridge construction.
Oh my gosh, this idiot.
Oh, wow. You're gonna keep moving. Yeah, that's right.
What an idiot.
Okay.
This idiot in the fast lane was brake checking two cars in front, nearly causing a 5-car pileup. This driver ran a red light in front of an undercover cop. Lucky that the truck had good brakes. Should he retake his vision test? Had to slam on my brakes because of this guy.
Somehow cut off 7 minutes.
Get over here.
Wear your seatbelts, you never know what can happen. The EV disengaged parking and almost hit a driver while charging. Hopefully everyone is okay. Comment down below if you get this much snow in your area. I don't think a single driver would be ready for that. Poor visibility, or was he not looking? Where on earth is this happening? Always make sure to check your surroundings when pulled over. This driver and her 5-year-old daughter is in the hospital now. There are a lot of things I can fix, but stupid isn't one of them. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.